I'm going to show you how to make super simple and super quick homemade garlic bread. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen, where we show you how to make delicious, family-friendly recipes. My homemade garlic bread is golden and crispy with plenty of garlic butter. You can use ciabatta to make it, or you can use baguettes, or even thick slices of sourdough bread. But today I'm using a 270 gram, which is a little over ½ pound ciabatta. I've got my oven preheating to 175C or 350F, and now I'm going to slice the ciabatta in half lengthways and place on a baking tray cut side up. Now we're going to make the garlic butter. I've got 120 grams, which is about ½ cup of unsalted butter here. It needs to be really soft so it's the right consistency to spread easily on the bread. Add in a teaspoon of salt along with 3 minced cloves of garlic and 2 teaspoons of dried parsley. Mix that together until combined. Spread the butter nice and thick on the cut side of each of the ciabatta pieces. Place in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes until the edges of the bread are golden and the butter has melted into the bread. Remove from the oven and carefully slice each piece of bread into 6 slices and sprinkle on a little fresh parsley before serving. And there you go, that's my homemade garlic bread. So easy to make and tastes way better than store-bought. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of new recipes every week. See you next time.